Last Friday, we had an awesome presentation by Dino Gomez in one-page case studies. The training is live. We've got a Google cheat sheet that Dino made step by step, and it was how to generate leads every single week with the one-page case study system. It was an awesome training. Dino took us through every single process, and it was pretty cool. Let me show you some of the comments down here. Awesome call, huge hand. It was really pretty neat. I just want to show you an example. So here's somebody in the group that actually took action on Friday during the call, and she reached out to mompreneurs. She got 20 comments from fellow mompreneurs immediately. And then she reported back later in the day that she's gotten 52 comments on that thread. So she's already gotten 52 people that have reached out that she can start speaking with. So she basically got 52 leads. So as Dino says, brilliant job. Yes, growing that pipeline and creating opportunities. In the program, we've got right in the group for all our members who are all implementing this. I did this myself. I did this a week ago, never did this before, didn't even know this was possible. And I got a smoking lead from a luxury kitchen and bath remodeling company out in Newport Beach, California. So here's the cheat sheet. We've got all the training. It's really pretty awesome. It works perfectly with the one-page case study model. So just wanted to share that for everybody. Hopefully we'll see you in the group.